Pictory.AI tutorial for beginners how to create video from text. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Pictory to create our videos for our business, e-commerce and so on. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So Pictory provides us the opportunity to create videos from text. In order to get started we need to visit their website Pictory.AI, and here we need to click for any purple button we see, get started for free trial and so on. So we'll have to create our account. I already have, so I'll just log in. We can create it using Google or just create it from our mail, as you can see. So just click on Google. And in a few seconds we'll come to our home page where we'll start our work basically. So this is our home page. If you'll click on the logo in the left top corner, we'll come to the right place right up here. So as you can see, which content would you like to repurpose into videos, script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, and visuals to text. So basically they provide us the opportunity to even use articles for our videos. So we can just copy the link of our article, paste it right up here. We can recommend it like using from blogs, press releases, any HTML article and so on. In this case, I'm going to show you how can we create videos from script. So I'll just click on proceed right up here, and here we can write anything we can. So I decided to ask ChatGPT to write the story of ChatGPT, so we'll deal with this place. So let's go right up here. I just input it here, and then basically as you can see we can click on proceed and the process will begin. So here we need to choose our template we'd like to work with. We have a lot of different templates here. As you can see, some of them are more suitable for maybe cryptocurrency, for news, metro station and so on. So decide what is the best one as for you. I think that something which is connected with business is suitable for ChatGPT. So I'll just choose this one, click on select. And we need to choose the aspect ratio, so let it be video for YouTube. So we need to choose horizontal format, click on continue. If you have TikTok account or maybe Instagram, you may choose another one. So it may take a little time according to the length of our script to create video. So let's wait for a little and then we'll try to customize what would you like to change in our template this Pictory will provide us. So it may take a little time. Let's wait for a little. So as you can see, now we are on our editing page. What can we find here? In the right side there is different scents, first scene, second, third and so on, and everyone is about background and text. In the left side there is the option for story, visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, branding and format. In every single folder we can customize. What do we have here? For visuals it's different backgrounds, textures. We can also upload our own videos here, or just a recent if we're using this one not for the first project maybe. So the elements is right up here. So there is different shapes, stickers and so on. Very useful thing if you'd like to make your videos more interesting or interactive. Of course there is the option to add audio. There are a lot of different tracks available. We can also add our own voiceover, as you can see, and we can upload our own video. As you can see, audio basically, as you can see, I've already uploaded some to test and it works pretty good. So we also have option to add our text, huge heading, subheading and body text and so on. There is also different styles we can change, something like this. Yeah, let's close this tutorial. And there is branding option. We can add our logo, upload different files, change the logo position, logo size, logo opacity. So if you are business owner, it will be helpful for you. So there is option to change sans, outros. And the last one is format. Still can change format to portrait, squared or landscape. Basically let's work with landscape area. So we need to choose the scene we'd like to change. For example, let it be the first scene. Basically, scents are the text divided into two different areas. For the first scene, there is this sentence. For the second is this one. For the third is this one, and so on. If you want to add more scents, you can just click on the necessary part and click on enter So they will be like split option here, so we can just split scene, and as you can see, it was like change it to another scene. So sometimes it would be really helpful. What can we do with every single scene? As you can see, if we'll click, there is option like undo, redo, so we can like undo our changes. We can delete scene, we can click on preview to watch, we can trim video, we can add voiceover or upload voiceover, and so on. Basically, there is like also settings here where we can turn off background music, we can add voiceover here, we can turn on visual zoom and pan, hide, we can also hide text here as you can see, and we can loop video. Sometimes it could be really helpful. If you would like to change the background, we can simply go to visuals here, go to library and find something which is like more related maybe, and just drag and drop it here. So we can just simply click and it will be like change it. Sometimes it could be interesting as for us to change the background if the AI created not a suitable one as for us. So this is the first way of how can we deal. We can also add like different elements. As you can see, we can simply like drag and drop, and here we can just change the position, change the size, and like add something else, like copy to all scenes. We can just like duplicate, copy to all scenes, and delete. Sometimes it could be helpful if you'd like to change, to add maybe character and so on. So we can do the same with every single scene. We can also add like transitions. If you'll click on it, as you can see, we can add transitions and change how will it like replaced. So now basically like this. In order to check the whole video, we can click on preview in the right top corner, and it may take a little time until it will like operate it, and now we can watch it. So I'll turn off audio, and as you can see, it looks like this. Pretty good, yeah. The scenes here, text appearing, and so on. We can also work with text. If we'll click on it, we can see a lot of options in the top. We can change the font, we can change the size, change the alignment, make it underlined, change the position of text, and so on. So basically, there are a lot of options. Just simply click and try to work with it. We can like highlight or highlight something. A lot of options to do. So in order to export, we need to click on download and then just click on video. And it may take a little time until these stands all of them will be created, and then the video will be generated. So this is a way of how can we basically export our videos. And in the end, I'd like to say that there is like paid option. So if you're interested in working with like Pictory.AI, I suggest you to buy the subscription. It's not that like high price, so you can afford it. Basically, this is a way of how can we deal with Pictory.AI. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.